What's up, boys? Fucking NQ rally. Give me 1 second, boys. NQ going insane, boys. And fuck, we down 100 for the day. Across 4 accounts, of course. Down 200. And we just took a payout from this account. But shit, I need payout from this too. And if today we don't have a winning day, then we gotta move it to Monday. Fuck. If we don't win today, we gotta move it to the next day on this 2 account. That the big payouts, you know, the 2 big payouts account. Down 200 on 4. Alpha, I'm down also 240. Market was tough the past couple days, but it's all good. We got this shit. And I took $200 loss on my funded next on gold. It's all good though. I know for sure we're gonna make some back. Yeah, pretty L. Took some L right there. It's all good. Yo, what's up, NT? Yeah, just locked it out, bro. Maybe pass it next time. Next tomorrow, maybe. It's only 100. Don't blow it now, bro. Fucking shit. Welcome everyone to the stream. Yes, sir. Thanks, man. Please drop a like and it's up. Let me log into this shit. What a hat? It's noodle with some X. What a move on NQ and ES. and to see how we react at this buyers. Maybe I'll have to keep buying with it. This little volume note. I'm gonna hop in right at this buyers. Gotta play continuations, y'all. Keep trawling. Stop loss just at the 690. Right below this buyers. Just 40 bucks. Mm-hmm. 750 is the next order. It's options from sellers. Uh, I was sleeping, and also I'm already in drawdown, so I don't wanna deal with the Asia shit. And it was a good choice because market would just consolidate over here. Yeah, it's a tough market. So as long as you don't blow your account, you're really good at trading. It's a tough market. Damn, dude, that's tough. It's all good. You make it back. Like I make it back too, so you'll be able to make it back. If you're patient. No, this is what you call good stop placement. It's hard to get to my stop, but if it does, it's gonna flush down right here. Towards here. So I hope not. Seems like we might flush down right here. Look at this shit. What a stop placement. Look at that shit. To the T. Which is just below right here at the 90, below the big bubbles. If it gets down there, it's gonna flush. To the T. So you know, if you scap like a big move up like this, you don't need a far stop loss if you know where the big orders get in. You know, because you don't want to see price just fucking get below here, which is gonna be bad for this buyer. So you don't need a big stop loss. The reason why I take an entry up here because it's a low volume node. Like usually, like they would defend right here, but let's see if they able to defend it or not. But that's a big order. Yep, got stop out. Oh, it broke down, went up. So let's see if we can get a re-entry. God damn it, y'all. Alright, big orders getting in right there. Try to long this shit again. Guess so. What the fuck? Wake me out. Literally like just like right here. Went back up again. This even real, bro? It's a fucking stop run right there. That's W from NQ, bro. So next time, just gonna place it a little bit lower. Be safe, I guess. That's too tight to the bubble. It's all good. Took my 40 bucks right there. What the fuck? Just literally touched me, went back up. I learned lesson right there. It's not two place like right at the bottom. We place it maybe right here. But you know, there's a high chance this big guys right here gonna hold, but dude, they just know, bro. What's up, Matt? Damn, Matt, I'm down 250 right now on 4 accounts. I took a payout from this account, Matt. Let's fucking go. But damn, I'm down this. Market open, yo. Another loss. That market been tough for me the past 2 days. Oof. Pushing, y'all. So if we get below here, I'm gonna hop in the short. I forgot about market open. I thought it's already opened at 8 because of that big candle. What the fuck? I was up like 200 too. And suddenly, like, just make a crazy move. We got below these buyers, bro. They fucked. Yeah, this market is confusing. Look, big move up, big move down. And yesterday we just grind. This is a tough market. So y'all gotta be careful. So if we flip below here, I'm gonna fucking hop in the short. Chasing the shit. I'm up 60 bucks right now on my personal. I hop in a short on my personal though. So I do smaller size. Oh, this might be a fake out. Okay, this buyer's getting fucked. Yeah, I'm in short. Just one micro for now. This buyer's getting fucked. I have a good stop loss right here since I'm chasing it. So if this flip down here, this shit gonna flush. If this buyers don't hold. Oh, the buyer's gone. Okay, we about to flush. Just looking at this, dude. I do see we flushing. Oh my god, bro. I'm up 200 right now on my personal. Holy shit, them buyers got fucked. Oh. Fucking shit. Woo! Woo, baby. I'm up fucking 300 on my personal. Oh my fucking god. Oh, money running, baby. On personal, baby. Woo! Hey, bro. I say, if this buyers get fucked, we flush. Oh my fucking god, my personal. Okay, I'm gonna take this on my personal. Fuck, I cannot be greedy. Up fucking 200 on personal today. Holy shit, y'all. Did anyone took that fucking short? Baby! Fucking fire! Woo! Oh my god, it's personal too. So that's basically, I'm up 200 cash for the day. Holy shit, y'all. I was gonna add in more, but who cares, bro? I'm gonna take some out on this account so I can recover. Fucking shit. See, y'all have to flip your bias like quickly, you know? You cannot stick into a bias. It was long, right? But order being as a order flow trader allow you to flip your bias quick. Adding one more. Risking like 150 bucks. That was a bottom tick exit on my personal too. I'm getting back in on this account. Baby! What a fucking trade, y'all. If this flip back up, bro, I don't know about like this market. It's just tough, you know? I thought this flush with, you know? Yes, sir. I took profit right there on my personal too. It's just all of these buyers. They gotta cover up. It's gonna feel the flush, you know? All of these big buyers. And I wasn't long, and as soon as I get out right here, I know like something's not wrong. It might not be a continuation trade. But let's see though. If this just fucking flip all the way back up, then NQ is just tough, you know? It's just like it's not the ideal market to trade. I don't think it's gonna flip back up though. Making money, boys. I'm backing on this account. Gotta flip your bias back quick, you know? Woo! What a trade on personal right there. My stop loss need to be above 556 right here. Above this sellers. W Mac. You know, all of these buyers get fucked. I was like, damn, if you get below here, all them buyers get fucked. Keep flushing for daddy. And what did I send in the chat? What did I send in the chat? I sent this in the chat. Fuck yeah, baby. Let's see if we do get that pattern. Dude, we got below here, we'll flush more, so I'm gonna put a stop sell here to add in another one. We keep adding. It's like, we got new buyers right here, but if these buyers get fucked, we go down low. Down low. Nick concept? Hell yeah, bro. You already know. I gotta recover on this for account for the payout tomorrow, bro. I need today is a winning day for tomorrow payout. You know? You know, probably people was chasing long right here, but I would just test the water out if it's a continuation or is it a fake out. And you know, I take a small loss, you know, like $100. I tried twice. You know, it didn't work. That's been like fucking something wrong with it, bro. My stop loss is above this sellers right here that fucking flushed the market down. Bro, if I swear to God, if we V-shape back up, bro, I don't know what to do in this market, bro. It's just a really tough market, you know? And fucking, it's just like, it's hard to trade. You're not gonna be able to trade a market like don't have a clear move. It's like this is basically the confirmation of like fucking buyers get fucked and sellers step in right here. But if we don't go down, then like, dude, it's just a bouncing market that crazy like for a couple days. And you know, like the reason why I really want to short NQ because the past couple days it does go up, right? But it's not fucking trending strong. That's mean buyers really losing steam. And when the sellers step in, bro, this shit gonna flush. Because buyers, you can see like the buyers not as strong anymore compared to back here, you know? Let's see if my concept is right or not. God damn it. Oh, oh, a big seller just came in. Fuck yeah, bro. Come on, keep going. No buyers getting in right here, we flush. If no buyers getting in right here, we flush. Big guy just got in. Give me another flash. Flush for daddy. I'm up 200 right now on my personal, so probably I'm just gonna withdraw everything right there. And just stay on prop firm for now because like the market is really tough the past couple days. Yesterday I took a 50 loss on personal. Today I make back $150. Profit $150. 200 today minus 50 yesterday, so 150 bucks profit in the past 2 days. So I'm gonna just probably take it all out. Market's really tough. But now deposit again when everything normalizes again. Flush for daddy. Oh my god. Those big sellers getting fucked. So I don't know. They're getting absorbed. Like a big sellers, but right down here, like there was no more sellers to keep pushing price down. You know, we need sellers to be active and push towards the bottom right here. But let's see if this big sellers defend or not. No, we might get fucked. We about to. If not, we might get a short squeeze. You know, if they're defending. Not, we got fucked. That's all. Come on, sellers. Bring this, take this shit down to the bottom, to zero. Nikki. But you know, being as an order flow trader, you really reactive to the market, right? Like just how I did here. You know, I was not into a bias. I was just reading the market, and whatever the market gives me, then I'll go that way. You know, I take my trades based on data, not prediction. Based on real time data, you know, I was analyzing like, okay, this big buyer's got a hole. If not, we flush. You know, and we fell to hole, we flush, and took I took the short on personal account as soon as we passed the first buyers. It's a little bit risky, but I want to give it a try, you know. But like prop firm, I really want to get a payout, so I'm slowing on the prop firm. That's why I took the entry like right down here when we already flushed down below this bubble. But this should be your confirmation to go short. You shouldn't short before like we flush all of those buyers. You know. And now you have a place to place your stop loss, which is like above the sellers that previously flushed these buyers. But if you short up here, you have to place your stop loss all the way at the top because you know there's no major sellers getting in yet. Okay, those sellers defending, so we might flush. If sellers step in right now, all of these buyers again trying to bring price up again get fucked. Oh, my personal up all the way up there, profit like 200 bucks. Okay, some buyers about to get fucked. In 4 hours and 1 hour candle about to close too, so we might even flush all the way down, you know, to if I use volume profile, the VIX increasing too. That's good. The VIX is like, you know, whenever the market panic, like demanding fucking put orders get increased, VIX gonna goes up. Um, it's like fear in the market. So let's see for SVP file. Ew, if we flush, we might even flush all the way back into this value area. Well, like previous couple days, we just consolidate here. So I'm looking to take profit around this zone right here because we got my down here. You know, we might consolidate in here. So this is the good zone to get profit out. Draw stop loss. Dude, people be telling me to do fucking minis. How I'm gonna do minis with 4 account copy trading too, you know? Like yesterday, there was some guy telling me, why don't you do minis? Because I just one trade fucked up, you fucked up everything. Copy trading actually 6 account right now. On the next account today, I took a $200 loss. Something like on this funded. Fucking Matt. We going for short. We talk about short, right? You talk about short. I believe in you, and I analyze it, and I believe in the short too. And I drew out this pattern for you, Matt. Come on now. We piss on them. Buyers. We fucked them up, Matt. Dubai? Yeah. I mean, like, we about to break this, like, consolidation zone. If we fucking break below, bro, it's gonna keep flushing. So be careful with the buys, because we've been consolidating here for the past 2 days. So now if this breakout towards the downside, it's gonna flush because all the buyers like just get trapped up here, and then like look, this is the candle, the fake out that trap all the buyers again and get all of the early short stop out. I've seen this pattern a lot, and I've taken trades based on this pattern on live so many times. So just be careful with that, Just think about it. Why wouldn't it keep going up from here, but we flush because this is just a fake out. And look at how many buyers get trapped. Oh my god. You know? It doesn't make sense. We're so bullish and suddenly we just flush, you know? But that's a also that's a low, that's an odd for it to go back up, but it's really low, If it goes back up, then market is just fucked up. Like market is tough to trade. It's not a good market to trade. Because that's not how the market move. We gotta, we've been consolidating now. This might be the real move. Yeah, just be careful with the long because we going down right now, But of course, I don't know the market, but I'm just seeing like short is has higher odds of, making profit. But of course, like if you can catch something long, you can make profit out of it. But I've analyzed the chart. Like the past couple of days, buyers just lose steam. We are not aggressively move up anymore, and that's a high chance of fucking reversal. And we're also at the key zone on ES. We're currently at this key zone, and supply zone. Literally, we just tap at the 50% of this candle, and we flip bearish. And monthly chart we close like bearish, like doji too. This meant a lot of sellers in the market, but buyers just brought it up. So right up here where the sellers brought this candle down, they might step back in, which is right here. It's a hanging man pattern. If y'all didn't know that. Hold on, hanging man pattern. This is the hanging man pattern right here. Same pattern as this. But I don't call it hanging man, but I just understand the concept behind it, It's like seller was really strong right here. They brought this candle down. This is like the key zone right here. This is where the seller brought it down. And we gonna have some reactions right here. I don't know if the seller is able to bring it all the way down. I don't care, but I just know that's the key zone. Alright, we up 200 right now. $80 on this account. And this is the monthly chart candles. Even NQ, we closed bearish. We didn't close bullish. Look what happened when we closed bearish. push down, you know, bearish right here, push down before close bullish again. It's a monthly chart, so we already push up so much on the monthly and weekly chart. So I don't know. And you see weak candle like this is inefficiency. You see the market love to fill the weak. 4 minutes until 4 hours candle close. If 4 hours candle close under this, we flushing. You know, under all of this structure right here. Like, look, this is the structure. If we don't hold above, obviously we're gonna flush. And also, we currently at today annual low. We're under all of this structure. And if we flush below here, there's nothing here. It's low volume zone. And we're gonna flush back into this fair value zone, right? Like value area where a lot of volume traded. So if I try out, you know, SVB chart of like this whole zone, you know, so this is low volume zone right here between here, you know. So if we flush down, market gonna try to get in. This is where you should look for a buy if you think the market is gonna go up, you know. This is where fair value right here. Market is basically just moved from value area to value area, from balance, imbalance, and balance again, you know. Just move to area where like price get acceptance. So you see right here, the middle is just low volume. So if price fell out below this value area low of this value area, right, it's gonna flush through this low volume quickly, you know. Come on, give me an imbalance phase right here. Just get down here. I'll exit this value area zone. Let's see where's the POC of this value area zone right here. Yeah, I'm gonna exit just right at the value area high of this. You see, like, even before let's say I see all of this price action, right? If I try out this value area zone, we push above, we push back, retest value area high. And what the market does, price say, okay, this is too low, we want to build volume at the new zone. And what it does is like pull back up, you know, just right at the value area high right here. Okay, we flush. We're about to flush quickly through this low volume node right here, going back to this value area. That's the high chance, the high odd that I'm seeing right now on NQ. Move my stop loss. It's about $100. Same with this, about $100. Let's see if we can push below this box. We flush. The box that I drew yesterday for everyone to get in a short, but we didn't push below that box, you know. And yesterday, some of y'all being impatient, you know, and you get in. That's not, I say, below the box. Yes, look at this. All of the sellers, they trying to you know, bit lower. Fucking back 300 profit, easy money. I'm basically back to break even right here. So if we push down right here, I'm profit $1,000. You know, as I say, if this buyers don't hold, the market is fucked up. We flush. or you can invert the chart to see if we, let's say if you're a bullish person, right? You're not good at looking at short, looking like we're breaking out, right? Looking like it's gonna continuations. It's looking good, right? And invert the chart, see what's going on. If you are not good looking at short, I'm cool with risking $100 here for fucking $1,000. 1 to 10. Give me this 1 to 10. I was risking $150. So, you know, 1 to 10 right here. Fuck them buyers up. Let's see, let's invert the chart. Have a clearer view. What do you mean, how can we get poor? Dude, as soon we got below this box, dude, market fucked up. Buyers fucked up. Dude. Come on, give me this $1,000. We take payout tomorrow, baby. Come on. Thanks, man. Give me this $1,000. We take fucking another fucking 4K payout tomorrow. And alpha, like yesterday was a losing day, you know. So no payout until fucking Monday. Even if today is a win day. Took $500 loss on alpha. Fuck me. Come on now. Dude, I'm confident right now to copy trade 4 accounts, so you know, pretty confident. Who would fucking copy trade 4 account, like, you know? What? Where's all of my fucking trades? Fuck, Topstep free! Freeze, bro. Yeah, I'm bit, bro. Topstep! I'm copy trading, bro. Dude, don't fuck me like this, Topstep. Okay, Topstep is freezing right now, so I might have to take profit. Okay, I'm fucked. I'm fucked, y'all. Again. Why every time market makes big move, like Topstep just, you know, freeze. Like I think they do it in purpose, bro. The fuck? Oh my god. Purpose on purpose for real, bro. Like every time, bro. Like last time I caught a big short too, but ended up like with a fucking break even trade because fucking Topstep freeze. Okay, Topstep is back. We're still in the trade. As soon as we push below this box, we munchy. We got this cash out of here. $1,000 easily. They were like, Topstep be fucking with me sometime, y'all. Especially when money is on the line, you know, like you cannot do that to your customer. You gotta fix your system, you know, because people be mad because they lose money, you know? Dude, no one's gonna lose money if, you know, Topstep freeze. And let's say I'm on a fucking couple $1,000 trade. Right now, I'm currently up 800 across account, right? And if it freeze like that, the fuck? Cause I 200 plus time 4, that's 800. That's money on the line, bro. It's real money. You know, I paid for the account and I'm on Funday and it's real money now. If they do that with me on the combine, I don't care. But like this is funded, you know. Money's on the line. Yeah, heavy buyers on Dom defending, but I don't care because you know, with the context of the market, there's a high chance we flush. It's like, you know, as soon as we get below those buyers, fuck, they get fucked, bro. But not really, not that heavy buying right now. But sellers just got absorbed a little bit. We just got pushed below this box right here and we good. I don't know when, but you know, I'm still seeing because we already closed outside of this structure. 1 hour it closed fully bearish. Also 4 hours. Who would want to long this? So we closed fully bearish on 4 hours. Wicked up, you know, people thought it's a buy. They got in, they got trapped. Now we push back down. If this just like this 4 hours just flip back up and go bullish, market is just insane, you know. You don't want to trade. Because from my experience, from my trading experience, I've seen a lot of pattern, and this is the one never fell. You know, it just gave me a really high win rate. Usually when this pattern happens, it's gonna keep flushing. Especially 4 hours candle close really bearish, confirmed that okay, sellers actually won the fight and close below all of this buyers, this structure right here. And usually, like, if I want to save short, this usually, like, I would wait for 5 hours candle to close bearish like this, and I would hop in around here. And that should be a confirmation short. I'm not saying it's 100% win rate, but in my experience, it gives me a really high odds of winning. Cause sometimes market do crazy shit. Who knows? I don't know the market. Suddenly, like, if Trump says something market bullish, like, that's unfortunate, you know. Yeah, sellers in heavily right now, but we just got pushed below this box I drew yesterday, which is like this is the key, you know, to flush right here. There's basically 50% of the move right here. This big move up, right? So if we're 60618, but we push below that box, we flush. We're already at the midpoint right here. This means like, you know, the key zone is right here. This is why like buyers gotta defend. If they don't defend right here, we go down. This is the midpoint of this whole structure, right? They gotta defend it. Below you short, above you long. Of this value area, this is currently at 50%. So we had a pretty key zone right now, and I'm looking for this to squeeze down. Might come back right here though. Let's see though. But I don't want to move my stop loss all the way back up here. If it come back there, stop me out, I might get re-entry up here. But this should flush down pretty soon. Yeah, like I might get stop out, but you know, if I do get stop out, I'm gonna try to get a bad entry. I think I'm good though. Come back to 400 error. Give me something good, NQ. Give me some bait out. Pay me out. Pay Nick out. And Matt did say the analyzing, you know, in here too, and it was a good analyze. So, but I was also thinking short since yesterday, you know. But today I thought it was bullish. You know, I was long right here. I lost $100, but you know, you gotta react quickly. You cannot just stick with the bias. You know, fucking shit. That was a huge short on my personal account. One micro up 200 instantly. Woo! And I call it a day on my personal. Yeah, we got below this low with flash. Yeah, and then like those buyers get fucked. I got fucked right there too, but only with one with this account right here, just $100, you know. And you know, if it's bullish, just gotta keep going up. If I get stop out twice, you know something is wrong, man. You know that, right? You know that you on the wrong side if you get stop out twice with a good stop loss. A failed fucking bullish setup is so bearish, right? And I was doing small size, like high stop loss, but it was a good stop loss. Dude, I was thinking short because we literally went up 50% of this daily supply zone, you know. But like, I was like, damn, this shit's too bullish. Let me try a long setup, you know. 'Cause, dude, I don't want to short into that type of volume, you know. It was fucking huge bullish. I was up $100 right here on the short on my personal and fucking just flip all the way back up. Like, what the fuck? Like, this bullish candle was crazy. Yeah, so many sellers right now. I don't think buyers win right here. Yeah, as soon as we tap this high, we flush. It's like then buyers really fell. Because tapping that high also like we got below this box right here, and right here it's just low volume. We're gonna flush quickly down, you know. So we basically just gotta get below here. You know, this zone right here. That I threw out yesterday. Sometimes I love to invert the chart to get a good perspective on the market. So just gotta get below here. We good to flush. Hanging man pattern. Let's see. Let's see if this candle gonna become a hanging man right here. Yeah, let them defend. You know, we're still in short. Yeah, I took payouts on this two accounts right here, I think, and I just took another payout. I'm taking like 4K this Friday on this two accounts. If today is a winning day, this two right here, and this one is the newest XFA. I lost 562 yesterday, and I just took a payout on this account today, from negative 900 to a payout, you know. And basically, I'm down 300 right now. And this one, this new XFA right here is up. Yesterday I took a $700 wins. Hanging man, hanging man. You see that hanging man? Alright, we flushing, boys. Hold on tight. Come on, just go. Don't don't DD around. Damn, they DD around so long. You know, Bob's trying to take this up so bad, but fuck. Look, CBD just grinding. Every buyer's getting in, that's the sellers. Every buyer's getting in, that's the sellers. You know, so I'm still thinking the short. I'll let this shit go back to the moon. Big buyers come in right here. So let's see. Yeah, this just look like continuation short right here. If I flip the chart and you good with bullish, like in no way this shit just flip all the way back up here. Like that's hard. The sellers already confirmed like orders are already in the market. So we need a fucking big amount of buyers right here to bring it back up, which is really hard. Because people don't like to fucking buy, you know, like, and we are not even at like any key zone either. It's not even a cheap price. This is where below here is like where I see buyers getting in. POC. Yeah. So if I try out this range, we're not even at the Vanguard low. Vanguard low is just, it's right here, but we're not even at it. We barely get there. Like just a little bit more. I would say below here is buyers interest zone, but like, you know, bigger pictures, I see price going back to this Vanguard. But we might get some reaction at the Vanguard low right here. If we do push down. So I don't know how long it's gonna take to get down here, but I still believe we're going down there though. I'm gonna trail. Maybe I'll take it just right around here. Not sure. Let me try. I'll remove all of my Tron. Let me see though. Yeah, I might just take profit around here. Cause just want to take that quick profit, get out of the market. Cause getting down here, before getting back inside this venue, we might consolidate for a little bit, for the sellers to reload and push through this fucking support, like the wall right here, to get back inside this venue area. We have a bear flag right here, you know. Let's see though. Dude, imagine we just do the same thing like yesterday, like grind back up again. That would be funny as fuck. Just think about it. If we do the same thing like yesterday, just grinding back up. Oh shit. Big buyers in. Let's see on the ES. Big buyers in, but price still just grinding, so it's a good sign of like this is just a retracement. No bear flag. Yep. Let's go, seller. Push this down to the bottom. Pushing. Flush it down. Right here. The buyer's just literally about to get fuck. Let's see. Yep. 5 minutes candle, close bearish. Okay, we about to flush. That was a fake out. Looking good for a flush, to be honest. Sellers step back in right here. More and more sellers stepping back in. We flushing below that box. Let's go. Up 400. Now we flush. We're gonna flush through this low volume node quickly. I'm not adding more. I think 3 is enough for me. $1,000 is way more than enough. To be honest, I'll take one out. Let this one run. So I'm in profit for the day. I'll just take 600 just to be safe. But it should keep going down. I'll just take one out to secure like one contract up to $100. But it should flush quickly right here soon. This account back up, baby. Let's go. Recover. Damn. What a rejection. That was a good take profit. So if I get stop out right here, I'm gonna try to get back in above. So I don't want to see the same pattern, like, just wick above and flush back down. Like, it's gonna be the same pattern as this, right? So, but like, this is like bigger time frame. So, but like, on a smaller time frame, on a bigger time frame, I still see short. But like, if we have that pattern here, it might go back up to here before any, Alright, I'm gonna take some profit right there. This one. Damn, I was up 400 too. So yeah. So same pattern there as this one, right? But just as on a smaller time frame. So to be honest, I want to get in above here. But we back up to the fucking break even soon. Let's fucking go. If that was good take profit on this account, take that quick, $79 minus 38, $40, $41. No, salvage just get absorbed here, so that was good to get out, to be honest. This we just pulled below. We did flush, but it should be like continue flushing, not like a flip like that. Fucking buying volume getting in, I gotta take profit, and this account, unfortunately, we got break even, but it's fine. Because I already take one contract off, bottom take that. Imagine if I didn't take any of it out. I would be tailed. I gotta be reactive, not fucking emotional, you know? But now we got re-entry right up here. That was a really good trade, good management, right? Because it shouldn't do that. If we flush, it's gotta keep going. There's no way like a big sellers just get in and we stall and then suddenly CBD just rising up like crazy. It's not good to hold on to that contract. Cause then like that's mean like the fucking sellers like it just get fucked right here a little bit. It's fine if like we stall down here, but like we rise, we go back quickly like this, and CBD just rise up with big buy orders getting in. It's not a good signal. It's fine if like we just go up a little bit without major like big orders, but this is big orders right here. We be shipped back up. So good management. Come on now. No, and the reason why I didn't take 400 profit because like I really wanted this to run because it's look like it's gonna flush, right? But market just flipped back up. That's why like I say market is random. You should never like predict like you should never saying that okay now it's flush. It's gotta keep going down. The market don't care about you, but like you care too much about the market. Like do this, do that to you. Yo, that's still a re-entry for sure up here. With this little volume note. This is where I want to get in, the little volume note. Just right above here. With Banner high. We got above PLC of this consolidation zone right now, so I'm seeing like 70% we're gonna go to Banner high right here. Just right here. This is where I wanna see reaction, market react to it, like sellers stepping in and go back in for a short. Taking 400 bucks out of my personal today, so basically that's the payout I'm getting today on personal. So today total profit from payouts 1200. No, not 1200. I took 900, but that's a 90% split. So I mean like I took basically almost a 1k, but that's a 90% split, so only 888. But fuck it, I'll take it. And tomorrow, if today is a winning day on this two account, tomorrow 4k for sure. And then Monday I'll take around 1.5k on Alpha. I'm trying to recover right now. Yesterday it took a $500 loss, or else like this Friday should be like at least 6k in payout. Fuck it. Gotta be disciplined, bro. All the shit. I recovered this account from 1,000 loss too, and back to break even. Yesterday took a 500 loss. That's hurt. That's just hurt. But I gotta stop myself. Yesterday market was tough. Alright, let's just say we pulling back up. We came back, retest POC, and market hold POC. Buyers hold it. Now it's gonna go up to Banner high, just around here. 70% rule. We got outside of value, we got back with volume, bro. That's mean like 70% we rotate to Banner high of this consolidate move. Patient, y'all. Trying to get in the best entry right here. Patiently. What do you mean like pump and dump and not only the consolidation after dump? I mean like volume profile, you can draw it like this too, you know? But you see I just draw the whole trend move, you know? Or because it's gonna also capture just the volume, like the most volume traded area. I don't care about this, I can just draw this. I mean like, yeah, draw this is fine, but you know, I don't know, that's how I draw it. And it's like, you know, I want to see the volume profile of the whole move, the whole move, like from the start to the end, you know, to see it. But you can try it also like this too. But this is how I usually try it. So let's say this move, right? You draw from the start to the end. But this has no volume, right? So, you know, this I usually love to draw from the start from the venue area to the end of the venue area, you know. Damn, pop up. Is that a good exit, y'all? W exit, right? Yeah, market is tough right here. Like we close bearish and pop back up. So let's see if we can get inside value again. We need to take a short. It's a tough market, so you know if you take losses, it's fun. I don't fucking judge anyone's. This is a fucking tough market right here. Sheesh. CVD turned fucking green again since the open. So I reset CVD at open, right? So at open, CVD was green, and sellers start stepping in heavily, and then you know CVD all the way down here, and now we get back to the green. So buyers is in, but let's see though. Look at the ES, it's just insane. Imagine how many people blow account right here. Thing is, this a continuation short. They get in around right here. It fucking go bearish, and you know it flip back up, and they get emotional. They start remove their stop loss. It's a tough market. They got people emotional. I swear to God. If 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 you don't react quick, it's a tough market. I'm gonna try short right here. Rest $40. Let's see if I can flip bearish again. Definitely, like this is risky right now when the buyer's getting in like this, and it's not even getting back into bad new era yet. Definitely a tough market. Try it. Matching risk $40, get 400 bucks. Woo! 1 to 10 R. This is why I want to get in. Keys on. Stop loss is above. The reason why I want to get in is just like previous 4 hours close bearish, and if it hit my stop loss right here, bro, like it might just fucking pull up quickly again, maybe to the top. This is why the sellers fucking take price down. You know. Woo! Send buyers. Come on, come on. Push down. Push back into venue. Push this shit all the way back down for me. Let's see on daily volume profile right here where we at. Oh, it's just the move volume profile. I want to see the daily on trading view right here. All right, daily session. We have POC. So POC got a hole right here. POC just right here. I'm good, man. How you doing, man? Yo, Matt, did you exit out of the short? Took profit. Any profit taken, bro? Cause this is insane move back up right here. If you didn't take fucking profit, I know you getting fucked right here, bro. Bro, W Matt. Dude, but that was a good short, right? Fucking we make some huge profit right there. How much you up today, Matt? Oh, you think it's going up? Why do you think it's going up? W Matt. How much you flat for today? Damn, I don't want price to get back inside this value area at all. You know, it's not gonna be good. So we're currently trying to see POC getting defend. 2 more days W Matt. Yeah, I need this 2 account to be in profit today. And tomorrow should be my payout day, you know? It's gonna be huge. I need today, Matt. W man, yeah, we was in a short and I took profit right at the bottom. We took one contract out. Alright, POC getting defend. Let's see if sellers like rush down right here. I think this such a spoof order. Let's see though. Let's see if it's a spoof or not. I might as well go break even right here. Cool. Yeah, it's a spoof. It's a spoof. They spoof it. They spoof it. So no buy orders in. Market about to flush again. No limit buys. Nothing stops sellers right here. You know? That was a spoof orders. That's a spoof wall right there. And we got back inside Venue again with fucking volume. And this motherfucker spoof all the buyers. Cause you know, like I only trust orders when you know it's been in the market for a little while. You know, just like this orders right here, it's been here for a while. It's been like there are people really want to get in, but that it's just recently get put in. You know, I don't trust it. So let's see if we can push down again. Just fucking flip the whole 4 hours candle. Where did I learn all of this? YouTube and just like trading experience, bro. My entry is just literally top tick right POC. Yeah, spoof. We flush now. It's a fucking spoof order. Good luck, those buyers. Fucking shit. Dude, I'm already in up a 1 to fucking almost 2, bro. Oh my god, bro. What do you mean, why? Cause like, buyers gotta, you know, buyers is thinking is this a big wall? Like, if this wall get pulled out, there's no more buyers who, you know, limit buyers defend the price, and one seller step in, it's just flushed out. You know, there would be no absorption because like, you know, it's not a real order. Like, no buyers getting in right here. You know, and if a huge buyer seller's getting in right here, it's just gonna flush, and we have some orders at the 400 too. So let's see. And 750. But I'm thinking short. Yo, I'm target 400 maybe. I might scale more in. Yeah, it's fake limit orders. Yes, people spoof to manipulate price. So like everyone see this a big wall, so they think it's gonna hold. So a lot of people definitely love to buy. It's just a spoof order. Cause you see, like they literally just put it in. It's not in the market for that long yet. To usually like if it's a real order and people really want to get in, it's gotta be in the market for a while, just like this orders right here. Look, 300 orders just got put in, right? Let's see if it's a spoof. If not, if it's not a spoof, then I might have to get out. But anyways, you know, if we get absorptions down there, I'm gonna go break even. We back break even for the day, baby. We definitely get some payout tomorrow if this hit. Look at that hourly candle just flip bearish. Soon. Let's see if this is spoof right here. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all to see it. I'm getting close. Let's see if they remove it. It's like they're like high frequency traders, that can remove orders within nanosecond. We'll see. But like if it's not a spoof, there's still a chance for it to go down. You only long if it's an absorption, but like if there's a bunch of sellers, then we just gonna flush through. But let's see. I hope it's not absorptions. I hope it's just a spoof right here. Slam it down. Damn, got cold feet. Feel like market been tough, so the past couple days market's so tough, and I'm get kind of, I was confident, but now I'm pretty like a little bit of like unsure about the market, so that's why I'm taking the withdrawal on my personal account. I'm just gonna take everything out until the market is in sync again. It's a tough market. Come on, slam down. Fill those orders. I want to see if it's a spoof or not. Oh, big buyers getting in right there. But sellers still more than buyers. So I'm not too worried about this trade. Just gonna let it run. Because I'm already break even, free trade, free money. You know how much money, like you gotta be so rich to have 300 orders in the market, 367. You know, it's a really big order. And it's meanies. It's not my girls. So you know how big of a contract size there gotta be. At 11:45, I have an appointment with my dentist, but I'm getting off at 10:30, so within 30 minutes. But damn, it's just dumb for me now. Dude, like it's really big, yeah. No, but just I think just like minimum requirement for margin. If you're talking about without margin, that's 230 fucking size, tons. I think so. So let's see how much you need. How much is one? Cause like one full NQ contract is 25K, 300 contracts. How many? How much is that? Let's say 25 500. Fucking 9 mil without margin. Cause like when you do big contract size like that, it's huge. It's 9 mil of fucking liquidity, like liquid. You put it in the market. 9 mil, and it's only big guys doing. Dude, that's margin. That's margin. That's margin, minimum margin requirement. But if you buy a full contract, that's how much you need. Without margin, you know how dangerous to trade with margin, bro. Like basically, like you trade on firm, on like let's say broker, and you only have 2K, and you trade a full mini contract size. That's mean like your leverage is huge, dude. But one contract size without margin is this how much you need, right? If I just look on NQ Tradeovate, this is contract side information right here. So in order to daily trade one mini contract, you need 1,000. That's a minimum. Below that, you will get liquidate. And if you want to hold it long term, you need 36K. That's how much you need. Initial is 36, 37K. But I don't know which month contract this one is. No, it's not 1,000 per contract, bro. That's just margin. But a full, if you want to hold it long term, this is the minimum you need to hold one mini long term. Like hold it overnight. But with 1,000, you can only trade intraday. Ain't no way 1,000 a contract, bro. You kidding me, bro? Like it's $1 trillion market, and you talking about 1,000 per contract, bro? It's the whole market. NQ is basically like all the stocks in the market right now, all the tech. It's huge. How's it 1,000 per contract, bro? It's not like fucking Google, just one single company. It's like how many tech company right now in NQ? I don't know. Basically, if you buy on NQ, basically you buy every single stock in NQ list, but everything is just compact onto NQ contract. So you buy one share of every fucking company. So I think like a total of one share of every company is like 20 something, 30 something K. I don't know. But this is basically mean you buy every fucking company that's in NQ right now. But like it's just all the company, but compact into like NQ, like NQ side the package. It's like when you trade option, you buy one contract, which is one package, right, of 100 shares. Same shit with NQ. That's why they call it contract. They don't call it like stocks or like they don't call it like a individual thing, because like it's a contract. Because in that contract, buying every stocks of fucking NQ. Alright, this wall might not be spoofed right here, but if we do have enough sellers, we're gonna flush down. So it's been in here for a while. Yep, it's not fucking spoofed, so I might have to take profit. I'll take profit right there. And I'll wait a little bit because this might just be, if you know, this hole right here is gonna pull back up. Absorptions, you see, we need more sellers because this is a lot of sellers getting in already, but like if we don't have more sellers, it's gonna go up, you know. We need new sellers getting in right here. So I'm just gonna play the brick out, I guess. You can see fucking a lot of sellers just slam down to that limit buyers. So let's be patient right here. If it get above here, then I'll hop in for a short again. Shit, we back up, y'all. Come on now. Alright, more sellers getting in. I might play the breakout though. If no more sellers getting in here, this shit absolutely gonna reverse. That was a lot of sellers already. Some new contract getting put in right there. 300 contracts. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. We'll be right back. How we doing, boys? W. Alright, this might be the breakout right here. I might hop in short again. I'm back in short. Give me 400 bucks, 500 bucks. Done for the day. I want a slightly better entry on this account though. Just get in right there, risk 200 bucks. Playing the breakout. Get below this box. We flush. Should flush right here. We get above right here. I might exit though. You see. No, it's a real orders, but seller's definitely strong. We pushed through that order. So I'm seeing like this going down soon. No, 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 no. If this might be a real order, because up here, like, those got filled also. Seller definitely strong. No, it might be a spoof, it might be a real order. But seller's definitely in control, like, after all of this limit buys getting in. And still, seller's still able to push down. I think this shit can go down for sure. 4 hours flip fucking bearish too. You know. So we might come back, retest Vanguard low, and keep pushing down. Just like right there, come back, retest Vanguard era, and push down. Or it's like right close to the sellers also. Give me some money, I'll be out the market. Come on. Good flush right here for me. With my stop loss down. Probably risk 100 bucks just above the sellers. I think that's too far, you know. No need for 200 bucks risk. Come on, flush these walls. And like we just gonna boop one big candle. Cause this is like officially like low volume area right here. You know, so if they don't hold, boop, straight fucking down. Oh shit, almost dropped it. Nice, bro. My stop loss is above, like, probably put it around 75 the safest because I don't want to get top tick again. We're just gonna have $50. Just a little bit above. Dude, I'm not long right now, bro. I'm shorting. I'm in two with the low volume zone. We flush right here, bro. Easily down to 400. My sellers defend right here. Flush down. And we have a bear flag. Like, so if I flip the chart, you don't want to fucking short this. Just think this as a bullish structure, like, you know, chart. Would you fucking short this if this were bullish right here? And we're approaching, like, we're about to break this key zone and approaching low volume zone. So whoever trying to long right here, and if they get trapped, this shit gonna just flush down. They will not come back. Now if I flip the chart, this look like a bull flag pattern, right? It's fine. If I take $150 loss, then I'll just wait and chill. But I prefer short. Dude, only the fucking open is fun. After that, markets just don't move. Dude, like, takes so long. And obviously the market is in consolidation, like, period, you know? Like, we just consolidate, so that's why. But I love trend days though, because I, you know, even after open, we still moving. So if I flip the chart on 15-minute chart right here, this look like it's gonna keep going up, right? That's why I prefer short. Yeah, get dumpy for me. Come on now. Shit take too long. Tell him to sell it. Yeah, he's the market maker. Tell him to sell it. Bro, why is Topstep is so laggy right now? Come on, bro. What is wrong? Topstep. Dump it! Got the sellers. Let's see if they defend it. Come on now, NQ. Don't do me like this. I'll take this trade. It's a lost trade. I'm gonna get off stream. It's getting late right now, and I gotta get ready to go to the dentist. Damn, them sellers getting fucked if we don't push down right here. Yeah, market is tough. No continuations. It's just not clean to trade. But my stop loss just above the sellers right here. Almost get stop out. Come on now, market. You're really doing this to me, bro. No trend today. We can stall the day again and again and again. For the past, I don't know how many days, bro. Even when we trend, look at this trend, bro. How many people get stopped in this type of trend, bro? Like, what the fuck? Alright, I'm done for the day, y'all. I'm gonna call it. I'll see y'all.